In example 2, it's similar to example 1. We're going to refer to the ordered pairs and say whether or not this relation is a function. So our ordered pairs are 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 2, and 4 and 2. And you can see that they are graphed in the graph on the right-hand side. When we look at the domain, we're going to look at the x values. Our domain is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those are the x values there. So this one is a function. Each domain value is matched with one range value. So each domain value is matched with one range value. So it is a function.